Have had versus had had. Have had and had had are both verb phrases that involve the auxiliary verb have and the past participle form of the main verb had. Have had is the present perfect tense of the verb to have. It is used to describe an action or event that happened at an unspecified time in the past and has a connection to the present. For example, I have had breakfast already. I have had this car for 5 years. In this sentence, have had is used to describe an action that started in the past and continues up to the present. Had had is the past perfect tense of the verb to have. It is used to describe an action or event that occurred before another action or event in the past. For example, she had had a headache before she went to bed. He had had enough of the cold weather, so he decided to move to a warmer climate. In this sentence, had had is used to describe a completed action that occurred before another action in the past. It's important to note that the use of had can sometimes sound awkward or redundant, so it's important to use it only when it is necessary for clarity and accuracy.